TextBlaze helps medical professionals create dynamic medical templates to save time. But TextBlaze also helps you automatically pull resources and use them anywhere. In this video, I'll show you how you can use TextBlaze to pull resources from a database, such as lab tests in this example, and use them anywhere with keyboard shortcuts. The first thing you need to do is copy our template. The link is in the description below. This template allows you to dynamically read information from a database and insert it anywhere. Once you save the template from our example, you'll see a database of lab tests. You can edit these as well as add more by clicking the plus button at the bottom of the page. Adding the template will also add a snippet to your TextBlaze dashboard. This snippet allows you to pull rows from the database with keyboard shortcuts. Keep in mind that there's no editing to the snippet required to make it work. All you have to do is update the information in the database, and it will appear in the drop-down menu for you to use anywhere. Note that when you add a new row in the database, such as glucose tolerance test, the new row will show up in the drop-down menu when you insert the snippet. However, let's say you don't like the way the content is formatted. You can edit some things in the snippet to change this. There are a few different commands in this snippet. The first one reads data from the database. The repeat command iterates through a list of items that is selected in the table. Next, we have the item function that formats the data that is being pulled into your snippet. And finally, we have the note command, which makes things show up in pop-up but not actually inserted in the text. To edit the formatting of the data in your snippet, all you have to do is edit the text around the item function. For example, if you don't want the dash and you want it to be bold and underlined, you can highlight it, bold and underline it, click preview, and then your content will be formatted as you want. If you have questions about any of TextBlaze's dynamic commands, check the guides in our description below for help and examples. Note that you can use this snippet in any site or app to quickly add lab test information in your EMR patient notes. Now, you can use TextBlaze to automatically pull medical resources and use them anywhere to save time. As always, feel free to post in our community for help.